Just put a bag in your shower and you'll thank me later. No need to spend more money. Guys, check this out. You turn on your shower and notice that the water flow is really weak, almost a trickle. Look at mine. I can open the valve completely and see how little water comes out. Can't even wash your hair with this. Look. Few people know this, but it's a sign of dirt. It means your shower is clogged, and you don't need to throw it away to buy a new one. I'll show you a very easy solution using things you have at home. So what do? Grab a plastic bag. It can be any type as long as it's not torn. In the bag, pour vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, but you can use your preferred type. Add 200 milliliters of vinegar. We'll also need baking soda. Here, just 1 tablespoon of baking soda is enough. When I pour in the baking soda, there'll be a reaction. But that's normal because this mixture is really potent. After mixing a bit, wait for the foam to settle. Now take the bag with vinegar and baking soda and tie it over your shower head, ensuring the liquid comes into contact with all the cavities and holes because that's where the clog is. Tie it securely and don't forget to turn off your shower. Keep it off at the cold setting. Look, it's tied well here. Now, let it work for 2 hours. Well, time's up, so let's remove it. And guys, look at the color of the water. See how much dirt it's removed? The chemical reaction from the vinegar and baking soda loosens and removes all the dirt from those little holes. And that's what clogs the shower. You don't need to dismantle the shower or scrub it, let alone throw it away. Such a great tip to unclog your shower, right? Now I'll turn the shower on again and let's see the difference. Look, now the water is coming out strong, working perfectly, no more drips. Now you've discovered why your shower was barely dripping water. And in such a simple way, using a plastic bag, a bit of vinegar, and some baking soda, this problem will be solved once and for all. I'm sure you'll thank me later for this. As I said, the chemical reaction from the vinegar and baking soda loosens and removes all the dirt from those little holes. And that's what clogs the shower. Isn't this tip wonderful, right? If you liked it, leave a heart down below and join us because we have new videos here every day. So, that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hugs, and see you in the next video.